Pineapple, the spiky superstar of the fruit world. Ever wondered what makes a pineapple so special? Well, buckle up, because this tropical wonder is packed with surprises. First up, pineapples are actually berries. Yep, each of those hexagonal sections was once an individual flower. Over time, they fused together, making one big, juicy, delicious berry. Nature is wild. They take forever to grow. Patience is key. One pineapple takes up to 2 years to fully mature. No wonder they can be pricey. But trust me, that sweet, tangy bite, totally worth the wait. Pineapple fights back. Ever feel a tingle when eating fresh pineapple? That's bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins. Fun fact, while you're eating pineapple, it's kinda eating you back. Don't worry, your stomach wins this battle. Once a luxury, now a staple. In the 1700s, pineapples were a status symbol so rare and expensive that people actually rented them for parties. Imagine flexing with a fruit. Not from Hawaii. Hawaii made pineapples famous, but they actually come from South America. Spanish explorers spread them worldwide, and today, the biggest producers are Costa Rica, the Philippines, and Thailand. Grow your own. Just plant the leafy top of a pineapple, and voila, eventually you'll have your own. Just be patient, like really patient. They stop ripening after picking. Unlike bananas, pineapples won't get sweeter over time. To pick a good one, smell the base. If it's fragrant and sweet, you've got a winner. Pineapple juice equals secret kitchen weapon. Bromelain breaks down proteins, so pineapple juice makes an amazing meat tenderizer. But don't let it sit too long unless you want pineapple-flavored mush. Health perks? You bet! Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and digestion-boosting enzymes, pineapples aren't just tasty, they're a natural health booster. And finally, pineapple on pizza. Love it or hate it, the debate rages on. Fun fact, Hawaiian pizza was actually invented in Canada. So, are you team pineapple pizza or team never ever? Final thoughts. Pineapples are more than just a tasty snack. They're a 2-year masterpiece, a piece of history, and a fruit that literally fights back. Next time you enjoy one, give it a little respect. After all, it's been on quite the journey.